Hi there, I'm Poetus Mbali Shabang, and it's that time of the week whereby we're going to get our scripture reading in English and Zulu. Drum roll! Yebo! Yes! Aha! So today we are going to get our scripture reading from the book of Psalms, Amahubo, chapter 1, verse number 1 until the very end of verse number 6. It reads as follows. Blessed is the man who does not walk in the counsel of the wicked, or stand in the way of sinners, or sit in the seat of mockers. Ubusisiwe umuntu ongahambi ngezeluleko zababi, ongemi endleleni yezoni, ongahlali enkundleni yabaklolodayo. Verse 2. But his delight is in the law of the Lord, and on his law he meditates day and night. Kepha okuthokoza kwakhe kusemthethweni kaJehova, ozindla ngomthetho wakhe imini nobusuku. Verse 3. He is like a tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruit in season, and whose leaf does not wither. Whatever he does prospers. Unjengomuthi otshaliwe ngasemfulweni yamanzi, othela isithelo sawo ngesikhathi sawo, oqabunge lawo lingabuni, nakho konke akwenzayo uyakuba nenhlanhla kukho. Verse 4. Not so the wicked, they are like chaff that the wind blows away. Ababi abanjalo, kepha benjengamakhoba aphephethwa ngumoya. Verse 5. Therefore the wicked will not stand in the judgment, nor sinners in the assembly of the righteous. Ngalokho ababi abayakuma ekwahlulelweni, nezoni ebandleni labalungileyo. Verse 6. For the Lord watches over the way of the righteous, but the way of the wicked will perish. Ngokuba uJehova uyayazi indlela yabalungileyo, kodwa indlela yababi yobhuba. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That was our scripture reading from the book of Psalms, Amahubo, chapter 1, verse number 1 until verse number 6. If you are looking for a voiceover artist, an MC, a presenter, just write on the comment, holla me, or you can call me on 071 74 88878, 071 74 88878 for your voiceover artist. Hala, Poetus Mbali Shabang, signing out.